My name is Sam Baxter. I'm an orthopedic surgeon here in Little Rock, Arkansas, mainly focusing on hip replacements and knee replacements. I'm originally from Little Rock, Arkansas. Went to medical school at University of Arkansas for medical sciences. I went to residency at University of Missouri, Kansas City, and also went to fellowship for knee replacements and hip replacements at UC Davis. Believe it or not, Dr. Ken Martin inspired me to be a surgeon. After my first year of medical school, I went and shadowed him for a month, and I watched him do surgery. I watched him in clinic. I watched the results that he had, and I watched how much he improved people's lives, and that really stuck with me. It's an incredible experience to be able to come full circle, because after shadowing him, I knew this is where I wanted to be. I knew if I had the opportunity, I'd always want to be able to come back here. And when I had the opportunity to come back and be in my hometown with my family, as well as an excellent hospital such as Arkansas Surgical Hospital, I was thrilled at the opportunity and jumped on it as soon as I could. I believe that each person is different and every situation is different. So I don't treat everybody exactly the same. Everybody has a different situation. Everybody's perspective of everything is different, especially from just talking to the patient as well as in the operating room, and not everybody is made the same way. So each surgery is going to be tailored to each patient and how they're made for both hip replacements and knee replacements, and their recovery is going to be each their special recovery as well. I enjoy this hospital because the staff is very friendly. Everybody that's around me in the operating room is very friendly as well. I like for it to be a family environment. I believe that my outcomes are not just from what I do, but from the entire team aspect of it, from the preoperative care unit to my team in the operating room to the team on the floor as well. It takes a whole village to make sure we have an excellent result.